Hi, this is MLB Fan. I'm making an unboxing for two packages that came in the mail. Here we go. Alright, so the first figure we got is Charlie Haas, Jakks Pacific. I got 12. A guy was selling a pack of 12 Jakks Pacific wrestler figures. Here's the first one, Charlie Haas. Here's his tights. Here's his boots. Here's his name on the back of the tights. No hair, loosage. That's that one. Mr. Kennedy. Mr. Kennedy. Here's his tights, his boots. No scratches, scuffs. Here's his tattoo. Here's the back of. Here's his other tattoo on his back, and it says Kennedy, Mr. Kennedy, on the back of his trunks. That's that one. Chris Benoit. No scuffs on his chest, his arms. You got the Wolverine, the Rabbit Wolverine on his trunks with the claws on this side. And on this side and the boots, and no scuffs on the back. That's that one. The Boogeyman with his face paint and his black wristbands and his black arms and his boots, his black pants, his boots. No scuffs on his back either. That's that one. So you got this one, Kevin Thorne from ECW, wearing his red button-up tank top with his black tie, with his signature symbol on his the side of his trunks, the V, and this one too. Red boots. Nothing on the back, no scuffs. Booker T. His tattoo here. His tattoo here. No scuffs on his chest, arms, legs, black boots. His logo on the back of his trunks. No hair missing or fading. No hair fading. None of these wrestlers so far has hair fading. You got Carlito. With his fro. No hair. No, not hair. no hair fading, no scuffs on his chest, his arms. He has the Caribbean logo, apple and trees on his trunks. Cool on the back of his trunks. Cool on his boots. Cool on the other side of his boots. And his boots. Next one is Danny Basham. Got no scuffs on his head, his chest, his arms. His black tights, no scuffs on his legs, black boots, and his logo on the back of his trunks. That's that one. Rob Conway, no hair missing, no scuffs on his chest, arms. It says Conway on the front of his trunks with black and red. Black boots, no scuffs on his legs. He got his signature star with his face on it in the back of his trunks. That's that one. We got Kane, shaved head, black makeup on under his eyes, no scuffs on his chest, no scuffs on his tights. You got black boots, no scuffs on the back of his chest, on the back. That's that one. So we got Lance Cade wearing his jacket and his flowers, signature flowers on the side of his trunks. Red boots. Nothing, flowers on the back. And no scuffs or anything on there. Next one. Last figure for the 12 pack. Kenny Dykstra when he was with the Spirit Squad, wearing a headband, no hair fading, no scuffs on his tank top, red, white, and green on the sides, white boots, no scuffs on the back of his tank top. So that's that. Now, the second package. These aren't the same. These are, I think they're Hasbro's, because I got the notification. So it doesn't fit. So we got Hacksaw Jim Duggan, Hasbro. No scuffs on his chest. No fading hairline. Blue trunks. Goes like this. Blue knee pads, black boots. No scuffs on his back. No scuffs on his trunks. That's that one. Here, let me see. Okay, fine, it doesn't fit. Next one, next Hasbro, and last Hasbro. I'm really excited for this one. You got Axe of Demolition, no hair fading. You got the face paint. He does this. Black knee pads, black boots, black trunks. No marks on the back, no marks on the trunks. And that has been my unboxing for a pack of 12 Jakks Pacific figures and 2 Hasbro figures. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.